Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door crew cab has a Vortec 4.3-liter V6 engine with a 4-speed automatic electronic transmission with overdrive. You'll be able to handle almost any terrain thanks to the traction control, ABS brakes, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Your safety will also be maximized with the dual front and side impact airbags. You'll never be surprised by a flat tire thanks to the low tire pressure warning system. As for entertainment, this Chevrolet Silverado has AM/FM radio with a 4-speaker sound system, and it's Sirius XM ready. This Chevrolet Silverado has about 95,000 miles on the odometer and still has a long road ahead of it. It is also covered by our free lifetime mechanical warranty for as many miles and as many years as you own it. So come on down and try it before you buy it with our free 48-hour test drive.